So I finally got all of my halo lights hooked up. So I'm just going to do a little show and tell here. I have the high wattage headlamps and the 500 FF ditch lights and 700 FF front running lights, and it's quite the show. I'm gonna spin you around here and let you see. Okay, so I have my focus locked down the road at a stop sign. What you see here is my running lights. So I have my daytime running lights deleted and running lights put in, so I have 4 running lights in the front. Here is my low beams, high beams, and both of those are hella high wattage. Now let me throw in my ditch lights and my running lights. Quite the lighting setup. I can put my dims on, and then my farm store LED fog lights, and they really lighten it up there on the bottom end. So that setup there is pretty darn good. Just the regular hella high wattage bulbs do a very good job of lighting the street up. So let me focus down here on this. All right, that's a stop sign. Pretty good ways away. I'll take some measurements on that and put them in the comments. I'll have to Google map that so you can see the stoplight down there. Bright lights, dim lights, and now let's just do the hella 700 FFs, the 500 FF ditch lights, and stop sign down there. I'm quite impressed for halogens. All right, now I'm not going to cut scene and just drive how far I am down there to that stop sign. I'm going to turn, heck with it. Maybe nobody will come. Running 45 miles an hour. Stop sign's still coming up. Oh, I'm getting closer. I'm slowing down now. We're getting a little closer. So, there is the stop sign that I was focusing on. So I will get a measurement, and I'll give you a measurement on that in the comments. Tell me what you think about the halogen lights. I've decided I can't afford LEDs, so I'm going to double down on halogen, and honestly, I'm super happy. Thanks for watching, y'all.